This is not a test. Residents around New York have seen humanoid figures with bird-like features. All residents be aware of the outdoors. We may continue your program. These humanoid figures had spread across the United States, attempting to infect residents and duplicate, lock and barricade all entrances, and go to the lowest part of your property. Going outside is deadly. Please stay indoors, indoors, indoors. Go outdoors, outdoors, outdoors. Warning. Seek shelter immediately, block all doors and windows, and get to a bunker on a basement. The President will now speak.
Attention, America. These creatures have invaded the world. They have access to everything except power. Remember, stay sound and stay safi.
Your world is now ours. The USA has collapsed along with everything else. You can either step outside and be consumed by us or die inside your bunker.